Go purple at home with your library this Jacaranda by registering to get your own free craft pack from Grafton Library, which will include the materials you'll need to make your own Jacaranda tree, such as a 3D tree and base, stickers of glittery flowers, and purple crepe paper. You'll just need to supply your own glue stick once you've picked up your pack to get started on making your tree. First, put your tree on a flat surface so you can start working on it. Then, grab your glittery blossoms and peel off the sticky back so that you can stick them on the branches of the tree. I'm going to stick them on nice and evenly around the different branches. You can even lay them out before sticking them on to see where they look good. There you go. Now for the crepe paper. These are going to be our Jacaranda flowers. So you want to rip them off around 8 centimeters long. Tear that piece and scrunch it up. Looks like a good size. You're going to do that and make plenty of pieces, enough that it would cover all the spare space from here up, all the branches. Alright, so this looks like enough flowers, but just to make sure I can sort of spread them around evenly near my tree and see if there'll be enough to cover all the branches. I think that looks pretty good. So now things are going to get a bit sticky while we're gluing on the flowers. So you just want to make sure you have enough flowers before you start gluing, because your fingers are going to get quite sticky once you start. Okay, so I'm just going to start my gluing process. I'm doing sections one by one instead of putting the glue on everywhere all at once. It just makes things more neat. There we go. I used up all my flowers, so it's looking very beautiful. Now we're ready to add the stand for the finishing touch. So the stand just goes sideways along these 2 slits, and you just push it up. Keep pushing. You might need a parent's help because it's a bit stiff, until both of the bottoms are flat. And now the tree can stand on its own. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed following along with me. Check out our other craft videos on our YouTube channel and subscribe for more content.